132 members voting in affirmative, 0 in negative, and 0 abstentions. House Bill number 10423 is hereby approved on third and final reading.
My vote is yes na yes because we had been waiting. The senior citizens had been waiting for this historical day.
Good news po at napakagandang balita para sa ating mga lolo't lola sa buong bansa. Dahil ang Universal Social Pension aprobado na sa third and final reading sa Kamara. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? It means may pag-andar na ang House Bill na ito at actually ay magiging ganap na batas. Atin pong panoorin ang video clip galing sa official FB page ng House of Representatives tungkol sa usapin na ito.
132 members voting in affirmative, 0 in negative, and 0 abstentions. House Bill number 10423 is hereby approved on third and final reading. Congratulations. Congratulations to all senior citizens, including me, and most especially to senior citizen party list, Ma'am Mila Aquino Magsaysay, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My vote is yes na yes because we had been waiting. The senior citizens had been waiting for this historical day that at long last, universal social pension is approved.
Bago tayo magpatuloy, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel ni Tita Eda, make sure na mag-subscribe kayo para every time na may upload ako ng new video ay manonotify kayo.
1 minute, please. Mr.
Please
Speaker,
proceed, ma'am.
My honorable colleagues of this august chamber, I give praise and thanks to our Almighty God for giving me the honor and the privilege to stand before you on this momentous day as we witness the historic passage of House Bill number 10423, granting universal social pension to senior citizens. This long-awaited and much-anticipated universal social pension will finally give due recognition to the countless contributions of our beloved senior citizens to our society. I would like to thank our dearest President, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., that under his administration, our beloved senior citizens are accorded utmost respect and priority. I would also like to thank our dearest Speaker, Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, for giving your word and keeping your promise as always. Our Majority Leader, Manuel Jose Manix, Mr. Dalipe, for prioritizing this bill. Our Chairperson for the Committee on Appropriations, Honorable Elizalde Esco, Vice Chairman Estela Luz A. Kimbo, who played a very vital role for this third reading, and all the members of the committee for their unwavering commitment to provide the necessary budgetary considerations for this bill to come to fruition. And of course, to the Special Committee on Senior Citizens, headed by our chairperson, my fellow vice chairpersons and members of the committee, for undertaking this monumental task and leaving no stones unturned to see this bill through. Today, we have handed over the victory to our beloved senior citizens as they continue to bridge the gap of our glorious past and our hopeful future. Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, for the sake of your parents, thank you so much for supporting this bill. On behalf of our principal authors, co-authors, and the 12 million and growing United Senior Citizens of the Philippines, our deepest gratitude and anticipation. God bless us and appreciation. God bless us all. Matatanda ating mahalin.
Lahat ng senior citizen na may pensyon na nakukuha sa private or public sector ay nabigyan ng pag-asa na mabibigyan sila ng dagdag tulong galing sa gobyerno. Pero atin lang pong lilinawin at wala pang ipamimigay na pensyon dahil hihintayin pa natin na maaprubahan ito sa Senado at eventually ay mapirmahan ng ating Pangulo para maging ganap na batas. Dahil sa magandang balita na ito, need na nakaregister ka dapat sa NCSC or National Commission of Senior Citizen. Dahil eventually, sa kanila malilipat ang distribution ng tulong para sa programang ito. Sa mga hindi pa din na nakaregister, i-click ang link ng aking video para sa step-by-step guide.
If sa tingin mo, natulungan ka ng video ko na ito, nakasave ka sa oras mo, you can click yung thanks button at any amount ay malaking help sa pag-grow ng channel ko. Yun lang po muna ang aking update. Sana ay nakatulong na dagdag kaalaman ang aking shinare today. Ang goal ng aking channel ay mag-create ng awareness. Kung ganitong mga topic ang gusto mo, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko na ito. Thanks for watching! Kung may kapamilya, kaibigan o kakilala sa tingin mo ay magiging interesado sa video, please share or tag sila sa comment section. At syempre, if nagustuhan mo ang video, i-like mo na ito at subscribe ka na din. As always, feel free to write your questions, comments, and opinions respectfully. And continue to be a blessing and stay safe!